Myself Sidra Parveen.
Myself Smriti.
We are here to present a podcast on the topic tryptophan metabolism and its disorders.
Let us start with the chemistry of tryptophan. Tryptophan is an aromatic amino acid containing an indole ring. It is an essential amino acid and it is both glucogenic and ketogenic in nature. Several biologically important compounds such as NADP plus and NAD plus are synthesized from tryptophan.
Metabolism of tryptophan is through both anabolic and catabolic pathway. Anabolic pathway leads to the synthesis of niacin, serotonin and melatonin. Catabolic fate of tryptophan, both glucogenic and ketogenic. Now let's move on to the kynurenine nicotinate pathway. Through this pathway, tryptophan is oxidized to finally yield acetyl coenzyme A, niacin coenzymes NAD plus and NADP plus. In the first step, tryptophan metabolized to produce formylkynurenine, a heme-containing enzyme, tryptophan pyrrolase. In the next step, amidase hydrolyzes formylkynurenine to formate and kynurenine. Formate contributes to the one-carbon pool. Kynurenate, anthranilate and alanine are synthesized from kynurenine through minor routes. In the next reaction, hydroxykynurenine is converted to hydroxyanthranilate. In the process, alanine is liberated. Since alanine serves as a precursor for glucose, tryptophan is considered to be glucogenic.
Hydroxyanthranilate is cleaved by enzyme to form an unstable intermediate, that is 2-amino-3-carboxy muconic semialdehyde, which has dual fate. The compound is further metabolized through several reactions, yielding glutaryl coenzyme, finally acetyl coenzyme by another route and forming NAD plus and NADP plus.
Some important points about kynurenine nicotinate pathway. Tryptophan pyrrolase is a heme-containing enzyme. Vitamin B6 deficiency can lead to niacin deficiency, pellagra, that is dermatitis, diarrhea and dementia. Niacin is an endogenous vitamin conversion factor. 1 mg of niacin is produced from 60 mg of tryptophan.
Synthesis of neurotransmitter from tryptophan. Tryptophan is converted to 5-hydroxytryptophan by enzyme tryptophan hydrolase, and then formation of 5-hydroxytryptamine, and then leads to the formation of N-acetyl serotonin by enzyme serotonin and acetylase, and finally leads to the formation of melatonin, which is N-acetyl 5-methoxytryptamine by an enzyme N-acetyl serotonin O methyl transferase.
Now let's move on to the important neurotransmitters, that is serotonin and melatonin. Now let's have a look on the site of synthesis and its function. Site of synthesis of serotonin is argintophene cells and its function: vasoconstriction, neurotransmitter, temperature regulation and mood elevation. Site of synthesis of melatonin is pineal gland. It functions as biological rhythm, neurotransmitter and antioxidant.
Biological defects: heart disease and second carcinoid syndrome. Heart disease. It is an autosomal recessive hereditary disorder. In this disorder, mutation of SLC6-1A9 gene. In this disease, defect is present in the tryptophan transporter of intestine and kidney. Decrease in blood tryptophan, which has certain manifestation. Decreased niacin synthesis leads to pellagra, which is dermatitis, diarrhea, dementia. Decreased serotonin synthesis with having neurological manifestation, which is intermittent ataxia, wide-based gait.
Carcinoid syndrome. Carcinoid syndrome is an neuroendocrine tumor of argintophane cell. Its pathogenesis and features: blood tryptophan enters argintophane cells, increases production of serotonin, which leads to intermittent flushing, diarrhea, sweating, lacrimation, feeling of warmth and facial edema. Thank you.
Thank you.